This is an open circuit because there is no connection. Now I'm closing the circuit. So I have connected the switch and the LED in a series, and the switch and the buzzer are also connected in series. Now these both are parallel to each other, so this is a series parallel circuit. So why this type of connection? Because when I on the switch, only the light has to light up, not the buzzer. And when I on the switch which is attached to the buzzer, only the buzzer has to buzz, not LED. So this is how series and a parallel series parallel circuit works.